Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print only selected pages from a PDF file using Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your file browser on your computer. This is where all your documents and files are stored, so take a moment to navigate to the folder containing the PDF file you want to print. Once you've located your PDF file, right-click on it to bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Open With. This feature allows you to choose which application will open your file, giving you control over how you view and interact with it. When the Open With menu appears, you'll see a list of available programs. Go ahead and click on Google Chrome from this list. Chrome isn't just a web browser, it's also an excellent PDF viewer with built-in printing capabilities that make it perfect for this task. Opening your PDF in Chrome gives you access to powerful printing options that we'll explore in just a moment. Once your PDF opens in Google Chrome, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Print button. Click on it to open Chrome's Print dialog window. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll have complete control over exactly which pages get sent to your printer. Now, in the Print dialog window, you'll see a section labeled Destination. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and choose your preferred printer from the list of available devices. This ensures your document gets sent to the correct printer, whether it's connected directly to your computer or shared on your network. Next, look for the Pages section in the Print dialog. Click on the drop-down menu there and select Custom. This option is exactly what you need because it allows you to specify individual pages or page ranges instead of printing the entire document, saving you paper and ink. As soon as you select Custom, a new text field will appear where you can input specific page numbers. For example, type in 2 if you only want to print page 2 of your document. This field is flexible. You can enter single pages, multiple pages separated by commas, or even page ranges using hyphens. Chrome will process your input and prepare only those selected pages for printing. With page 2 now specified in the custom field, you're ready to complete the process. Simply click the Print button at the bottom of the dialog window, and Chrome will send only page 2 to your printer. This selective printing approach is perfect for when you only need specific pages from longer documents. And that's it, you've successfully printed only the pages you needed from your PDF file using Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.